here's my red Zuma. And I asked my wife if she could, you know, if she'd like to ride along and get some transportation, kind of like that. And I said, well, whatever you buy something red. So she went out and bought this. This is a 2018 Toyota RAV. I've never ridden in one, I don't know. I wish it would have chrome handles though, that kind of pisses me off. But it's red, and I don't know that much about them. I let her go down and negotiate everything, because if I did, I'd do things a little differently. And let's see. I should top it down like that, I guess. It's all-wheel drive. She just brought it home. It's got the little shark pin on it, shark fin. And the inside, got that looks like some kind of a display and something for movies or something. It's all black, fits 4. That's one of those things, stuff up here. And I just want to video this for the first day she bought it. It does match my bike. God, these things are expensive. It's all-wheel drive, so it should work good in the winter. It's kind of cool looking. I don't know that much about new cars anymore. All I know about new cars is they're buku expensive. I don't know how anyone can afford one unless you're a doctor or a lawyer or win the lottery, or you're doing a lot of import-export legally or illegally to afford any of this stuff. It's kind of a cool color. It's kind of a blood red, not quite a horse red like mine, but it's not a bad car. She wanted to get a used one, and she said, oh, for a couple thousand more I can get a new one. I said, what the hell, buy a new one. Go hog wild, have fun. So anyway, the wife's got a new car. I'll probably never get to drive it. I just want to take a photograph of it once. I'm depressed.